Each of us is a powerful creator of love. Each of us, every moment of every day, has the choice to dedicate ourselves to one another. Anyone who has been around Maya and Joey for more than 10 minutes knows that they have something truly special between them. They take care of each other in such a loving way. They complement one another, and yet they give each other room to be themselves. They take care of each other. They make each other laugh. And may your days be filled with laughter, imagination, trust, friendship, and love. Maya and Joey, look at one another and remember this moment in time. Before this moment, you have been several things to one another: friend, fiancé, but now you shall say a few words that take you across a threshold of life, and things will never quite be the same between you. For after these vows, you shall say to the world, "This is my husband, this is my wife."
Today, surrounded by the people who love us, I choose you. Maya, you're my best friend. 2 years ago, I filled a book about the 50 reasons why I love you. Now I can fill out a book about the 1,000 reasons. I believe that you have never-ending enthusiasm and warmth. I believe that you radiate joy even during the most boring moments. I believe that you fill my heart with light and a sense that I can do anything when I'm with you. I vow to support you, to push you, to inspire you, and above all, to love you for better or worse, loving what I know of you and trusting the things I will discover.
Joey, from the day I met you on my dad's birthday, I knew you were the one for me. You were my teammate and best friend for life. I always said I wanted to be with somebody who treats me half as good as my dad, and you even met and exceeded those expectations. I promise to love you with all my heart, be faithful, support your career goals, and to never get another dog without your permission.
You are the strength I didn't know I needed and the joy I didn't know I lacked. Let us be partners and friends and lovers today and all the days that follow. From this day forward, we will not walk alone. We will build an empire together. So take this ring as a symbol of my devotion. Wear it as a seal upon your heart. For our love is infinitely strong.
This is the man I want to marry. That's what Maya told me when she met Joey. She said, "Dad, I want to marry a man who's like you or better than you." And she found a man, Joey, who is better than me. They fell in love, they got engaged, and finally they got married.